Hello learners, today we are going to learn the conjugation of ER ending verbs in French. So as you know, there are three types of verbs in French. So right now there is on the screen as ER ending verbs. So basically there are three types of verbs: ER ending verbs, RE ending verbs, and IR ending verbs. So we will learn the conjugation of ER ending verbs today. So the first step is to know about the subject pronouns. So the subject pronouns here are on the screen. So this left hand part is singular. That is called as singulier in French, singulier. And in right hand part, this is pluriel. This is plural. This one is first person, that is called as première personne, first person. This is second person, and these three are third person. Here in plural part, this nous, this subject pronoun nous is first person, vous is second person, and il and elle are third person plural. Okay, so first of all, we'll know the meanings of these subject pronouns. So this subject pronoun je is I. In Hindi, it is मैं. Tu is you, as tum in Hindi, and it is singular. So when we are saying you to someone, so it is believed that it is only one. Okay. Il is he, il. Elle is she. Un is someone, somebody, one. So it also comes in third person, we. The next one is the plural of je. So the plural of je is nous. Nous. This S would be silent in this case. Nous. Nous is we. Vous. Vous is you. That is you all. It's in plural. And it is a formal one. Like in Hindi, we have up. Okay. And this tu is tum. This is il. This S will be silent. So this third person singular, il, and this will be also il. But when we'll make sentences, then only we'll come to know about this in a different way. Okay, so we'll understand this as il, and this is they. So when this is when there is a group of boys, or it's mixed when there are boys and girls in a same group, so we'll be using this il in that case. Il. And L is for girls, that is in feminine. So this is they, or any feminine noun. Okay, when they are in number, that is in plural form. He, she, it also. This is it also. Il is used for masculine nouns, and L will be used for feminine nouns. Okay, so these are the subject pronouns. Now, in the next slide, we have the endings. So there are different endings for the conjugation in present tense. So this is present tense, remember. So for example, we will take a verb as parler. Parler. Parler means to speak. Parler is to speak. So this er ending verb, you can see there is this verb ends with er. For this, we will remove er of this verb. So the remaining thing we have now is this P-A-R-L. This is parle, parle. We will put this parle here, P-A-R-L. The ending for je is E. Remember that the ending for je will be E always in present tense. For tu, the ending is es. For il, elle, and on, the ending is same, that is E. For nous, the ending is ons. For vous, the ending is ez. And il and l have that got same ending, that is ent. Now we'll be using these in sentences when we'll be forming sentences with this verb parler. So we have remaining thing parle, and we'll be putting this everywhere in all the subject pronouns. Parle, 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 and P-A-R-L-E-N-T. Now, while reading the sentences, we will read this complete thing, the subject pronoun and the conjugated form of this verb. So, je parle is I speak or I'm speaking, both. I speak and I'm speaking, both. M is somewhere hidden in this. Don't bother about that. Similarly, the subject pronoun tu is you. So this will be you speak or you are speaking, but in singular and in informal. You speak or you are speaking. You speak or you are speaking. Il parle is he speaks or he is speaking, both. She speaks, she is speaking. Now in plural part, the pronunciation changes. In the left hand side in singular, it was same. The pronunciation was same. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, on parle. But in nous, it will be nous parlons because of this ONS. Nous parlons, nous parlons. Vous parlez, vous parlez. This EZ sounds like A, so this will be vous parlez, vous parlez. Il parle, they speak or they are speaking. Elle parle is they speak or they are speaking. Nous parlons is we speak or we are speaking. Vous parlez is you speak and you are speaking. Il parle. So this third person singular and third person plural will be pronounced in the same way. Though we will write it in a different form ending with ent, and here the subject pronoun will be in plural. But remember that in regular verbs, like here we had parler verb, the pronunciation will be same. Don't pronounce it as ils parlent or something. It's il parle, il parle, il parle. So the same pronunciation. Now I will show you some sentences with the verb parler. Parler is to speak. So how do you say I speak or I'm speaking? Je parle français. I speak French. Je parle français. I speak French. Français. Français is French. It's a language. Tu parles chinois. Tu parles chinois. Tu parles chinois. Chinois is Chinese. It's a language. Il parle italien. Il parle italien. Elle parle portugais. Portugais. So she speaks Portuguese. Nous parlons espagnol. Nous parlons espagnol. Espagnol is Spanish. Vous parlez allemand. Allemand is German. Vous parlez allemand. Allemand is German. Il parle anglais. Il parle anglais. So they speak English. Il parle anglais. Elle parle danois, Danish language. So je parle français. Tu parles chinois. Il parle italien. Elle parle portugais. Nous parlons espagnol. Vous parlez allemand. Il parle anglais. And elle parle danois. So this is the conjugation. So you can see here there are different endings with different subject pronouns. With je it is e. With tu it is es. For with il it is e. Elle it's e. For nous it's ons. For vous it's ez. With il and elle it is ent. And these are the languages. But we can use them in nationalities also. But these are only masculine nationalities. So we will discuss elaborately in the nationalities chapter. But remember that these are nationalities also. But the nationalities have different forms. It changes according to gender and number. So we'll study nationalities later. So I will give you one homework. Try to conjugate these verbs. The verb is travailler, travailler, which means to work. Regarder, regarder is to watch. Regarder is to watch. The verb écouter, écouter is to listen. The verb aimer, aimer means to love or to like. And another verb, the opposite of this verb aimer is détester, détester, which is to hate. So you know very well the rule of the conjugation. Just remove er of this verb, and whatever you have remaining after the removal of this er ending verb, put in that formula and make different sentences. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.